शंकर कोचिंग में स्वागत है। मैं प्रोफेसर प्रेम शंकर आज 10th क्लास के स्टूडेंट को NCERT बुक से चैप्टर नंबर 7 कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री पढ़ाऊंगा। मेरा ये वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो कृपया इसे आप लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. In the coordinate geometry, we will see this introduction portion, then formulae. In the formula, we have distance, then section, and then we will take the few special cases. In the special cases, we have the distance from origin, and ratio is k:1, then ratio is 1:1. Then we will see few application also. In the application portion, we will see the area of triangle and then the area of in case of the introduction, let's suppose we have the coordinate like this. So I can locate this as a x and this is y. XY. Okay. So this x and y, it has a distance from this point and distance from this point. Okay. So from the x coordinate, it is nothing but it is the abhiseka. For the x coordinate, it will be your abhiseka. And if you see the y coordinate, so it will be known as the ordinate. This is ordinate. Okay. Like suppose I have a coordinate. This coordinate is, let's suppose this is your 3 and 4. Okay. So I can write it as a this. I can write it like this is x, this is x, and this is y. Okay. And 3 and 4 is at this point. So I can say that this is 3. This 3 is abhisesa. 3 is nothing but it is abhisesa. Okay. And then what about the 4? 4 is your what is that one? 4 is the ordinate. It is ordinate. Okay. One thing more, if you see the different coordinates, then the x, then the coordinates you can put like this. This is x, this one is the y, this is minus x, and this is minus y. Minus x and minus y. Okay. So this is all about the introduction portion of this coordinate. Now come to the next one. That is the distance formula. P and Q, x1, y1 and x2, y2. This is the coordinate of we have the 2 points are there. one is P, another is Q. P and Q point. Let's suppose P is how much? X1, Y1. And here Q is the X2, Y2. This is the origin O. And I have to find the distance. This distance I want to find. PQ. So what I will do, let's suppose this is point R. And this is point S. R and S. Let's suppose this point is T. This point is T. Basically, this is the X coordinate and this is the Y coordinate. So, I want to find what is this distance P and Q. So, these 2 points are 2 points are 2 points are P. P is nothing but X1, Y1 and Q is nothing but X2, Y2. P is X1, Y1 and Q is equal to X2, Y2. Then your PR and QS. PR and QS. Perpendicular from x-axis from x-axis from the point P and QS. Make the point at T. I can say that OR is equal to how much? OR is equal to X1. OS is equal to X2. RS is equal to how much? RS is equal to X2 minus x1, and this is also equal to your pt. OR x1, OS x2, RS x2 minus x1, which is equal to pt. Also SQ is equal to y2, ST is equal to PR and is equal to y1. Similarly, Q2 is equal to y2 minus y1. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem, you can say that PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Now, if I put the value, then PQ square is equal to how much? PQ square is equal to PT, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus q2 square y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between P and Q, applying the Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PT square plus TQ square. And then putting the value, I get PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I can say that this distance PQ is equal to under root of this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance between P and Q is PQ is equal to how much? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between P and Q. This is known as distance formula. If you take a special case, distance from origin. Distance from origin. So for the case of distance from origin, I can write in this way: x1 y1. This is equal to 0. Let's suppose x2 y2 This is equal to your xy. Suppose I call it OP. So this OP is equal to how much? This OP is equal to under root x square plus now the reverse case make the reverse case, then QP is equal to how much? Is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the case of the distance for the case of the section formula. Again we have in the section formula we have, suppose we have 2 points. A point is there and this one is the B point. A and B are the 2 points. A is the x1, y1, and in the B we have x2, y2. A1, x1, y1, A point, x2, y2, B point. Let's suppose somewhere the point P is here and the value of this point is nothing but it is x and y. xy. This is xy. Okay, point P. Let's suppose the ratios are m1, m2. These are the ratios. Now, if I draw the perpendicular, these are the perpendicular. This is R, S, this is T. R, S and T. This is Q point, Q, A to Q, and then let's suppose here is the another point, that is C. Okay, it is given A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and a point P xy coordinate m1 and m2. These are given. Okay, so I can say that PA by PB. Let's suppose I say that PA divided by PB. PA divided by PB, and that is nothing but that is your equal to M1 by M2. So it's a PA by PB is equal to M1. If we draw AR PS ARPS and BT axis. Perpendicular to AQ and PC parallel to X axis. Draw AQ and PC parallel to X axis. Triangle PAQ. Triangle PAQ and BPC. PAQ and triangle BPC. PAQ and BAC are the similar triangle. So similar triangle. So I can write PA by BP is equal to AQ by PC is equal to PQ by BC. It is given here PA by BP is equal to AQ by PC is equal to PQ by BC. What is the value of AQ? This AQ is equal to RS is equal to OS minus OR, and this we can write it as X minus X1. Next one is your PC. The value of PC is equal to ST. PC is equal to ST, and it is equal to OT minus OS is equal to X2 minus X2 minus S. Then what about the PQ? PQ is equal to PS minus QS is equal to PS minus AR is equal to Y minus Y1. Lastly, we have the BC. So BC is equal to BT minus CT is equal to BT minus PS. This is equal to Y2 minus Y. Y2 minus Y. Putting the values, putting values, how much the value will be? That is equal to your M1 by M2. M1 by M2 is equal to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X is equal to Y minus Y1 divided by Y2 minus Y. So there will be two relations. First one is what? First one is your M1 by M2 is equal to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X. From this we are getting X is equal to how much? It should be equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 is divided by M1 plus M2. That is your M1 by M2. This is equal to Y minus Y1 divided by Y2 minus Y. Then you will see value of Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 is divided by M1 plus M2. So these are the relation. Now we will see the special cases. Special cases. Number first is what? M1 is to M2 is equal to K is to 1. M1 is to M2 is equal to K is to 1. M1 is equal to K, M2 is equivalent to 1. So the value of X is equal to how much? K X2 plus how much? Plus X1 is divided by K plus 1. And what about Y? K y2 plus y1 divided by K plus 1. Special cases. Okay. When the next one is M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 1. If you take the 1 is to 1 and putting the value, we will get this is equal to 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 divided by 1 plus 1 and 1 into y1 plus 1 into y2 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is equal to how much? x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. These are the x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. Application. In the application portion, we will see the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of the triangle. For the point B, it is x2, y2, and for the C, we have the x3 of the triangle. Area of triangle. So, area of triangle, this is equal to half into base into altitude. ABC is triangle R. Vertices are A, ABC, having A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Draw AP BQ CR. CR perpendicular from perpendicular from AB and C. Perpendicular from to the x-axis, to the x-axis, different derivations are different derivations different derivation are area triangle, area of triangle ABC. This is equal to trapezium AB QB plus trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQ RC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half BQ plus AP QP plus half AP plus CR into PR minus half BQ plus CR into QR. So this is equal to half into y2 plus y1 x1 minus x2 plus half half y1 plus y3 y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1 plus plus it will be minus half y2 plus y1 into x3 minus x2. So area of the triangle ABC, that is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3. Plus area of triangle ABC is equal to half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x2 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, you kindly share with your friends and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.